Hello, before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to receive updates when we upload new videos. Developed for a new generation of sedan customers, the first ever CT4 blends nimble handling and Cadillac's signature technology. The CT4-V takes these traits further, infusing the brand's racing DNA for a dynamic, responsive and exhilarating driving experience. Powered by Cadillac's high-output 2.7 liters turbo engine featuring a unique 3-step sliding camshaft that helps optimize performance at all speeds. It is rated at a Cadillac-estimated 320 horsepower, pending SAE certification and 10-speed automatic. Near-perfect 50-50 weight distribution for an exceptional feeling of balance and control. Dark exterior accents and V-series mesh grills, quad exhaust tips, unique rear spoiler design that helps reduce rear lift while increasing grip for the rear tires.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe to Auto TV.